Good day. My name is Niels Lombard. It's actually Cornelius J.H. Lombard. I'm the owner of EarthTag, and this is an app that can change the world. What is the app doing? It's actually, in a nutshell, having your information on any phone anywhere in the world. So in a nutshell, there's a phone. The phone is basically just put on. There's no app open. There's an NFC tag. You touch the NFC tag, and then you open the browser. What do you have? Sky's the limit. At this point in time, there's my medical information on any phone. There's my telephone number on any phone. There's my contact details, basically just with a password. It's closed source. Here's my password on any phone. And then at the top, that's my help. It will send GPS coordinates, this phone coordinates to my distressed partners. That's in a nutshell what NFC is about and what EarthTag is about. It's a tag, it's a phone. You scan it, you open it. What's the deliverables? Technically, like I say, the sky's the limit, or it's got no limits. It's basically very similar to having a flat tire. You know, we all can drive, but the day you've got a flat tire, at that point in time, you can actually measure the value. So it's having that emergency wellness behind you. It's to know that you've got millions of phones that actually cover your detail. What are we doing? We've got a cloud database, smartphone interfaces, QR code interfaces, wellness interfaces. Second phase, cryptocurrency, and then the giving and receiving app. That is what we're doing. Looking at the wellness side, we've got hospital ambulance services. We've got owner details mailbox. You can link in your LinkedIn profiles, Facebook, emergency tracking systems, traveling, your medical details, emergency SMS evacuation details. On the lost and find, it's children, luggage bag, etc. The special needs, you can link, for example, your boarding passes, travel passes. Talk about that just now. And then your giving and receiving app, that is your crypto and your money sent applications. Looking at the special needs, travelers, traveling, you've got your itinerary, car hiring details, money sent details, etc. On the medical side, you can have your full medical records. You can have your medicines, your backup medicines, your generic medicines. You can go from one pharmacy to the next pharmacy and they can have your details. Moving on to what's very important is the homeless, the job hunters. And that from that specific side, you can have your CV, your recommendations, your qualifications available at a heartbeat. And then on the crypto side, you've got the payments of the salaries and so forth. What is NFC? What is My 911? It's basically integrating everything that we have. It's integrating QR codes. It's integrating the new intelligent smartphone covers, implants, NFC implants, jewelry, wristbands, and obviously, when we look at Visa cards, we've got bus cards, ID documents, bank cards, all NFC enabled, all have got the ability to interact. And then the link to the crypto, which is the second phase of the project. Looking at the second phase, which we are currently developing, we've got the wireframes, we're looking at the patent, looking at a completely different integration system where you use wellness to be able to bring in the world into cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies is currently extremely complicated, difficult to manage. If you look at the third world, they do not even have email addresses, bank accounts, and so forth. How can you add to cryptocurrencies? What My Crypto is doing, it's approaching it from the wellness side, it's approaching it from the data side, where you got your contact details, your photos, and your trust built from a wellness side linked to crypto. We believe that's the only way that the world will ever change into crypto fast, is by working it from the wellness side. Let's see. Just for a summary, close off. Traveling the world is an amazing experience. knowing that there's a few billion smartphones on standby to assist you in any emergency. That's what it's about. It's about this illustration where the wealthy can give the beggar the 1 rand and the 2 rands and the 1 cent and the 2 cents. Where anybody, the first respondent, can talk to somebody in need, either through wellness, medical information, emergency SMS details. There's an interaction between the one that cannot talk and the one that do not have via this specific app. In a nutshell, there we've got it. It's any phone can save your life. Billions of phones have the possibility to save your lives. Any phone can instantly recover your data via passwords, open source and closed source. Any phone can instantly be used to make a payment. That we've got an extremely exciting program running on crypto. And then any phone can send an emergency SMS, for example, in that case, worst case scenario. And then obviously any phone can call when you lose a bag, a child. It doesn't matter what. It's interlinked. Thank you very much. Short presentation. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you.